Hello students, in this part we will discuss some saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon compounds. Saturated and unsaturated compound. First of all, we have seen that there are three types of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon compounds are of three types: alkane, alkene, alkyne. Alkane, alkene, and alkyne. And the formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. It means the number of carbon molecule, the hydrogen molecule is double plus 2, then that is called alkane. Alkene CnH2n मतलब number of carbon molecule जितने हैं हाइड्रोजन के डबल हो जाते हैं. And alkyne CnH2n minus 2. It means जितने कार्बन के मोलिक्यूल हैं हाइड्रोजन के डबल करके दो लेस कर देते हैं. एल्केन जिसका सफिक्स मीन्स साउंड जो प्रोड्यूस होती है लास्ट में एन. एल्केन इन एंड एल्काइन में लास्ट सफिक्स क्या होगा? आइन. एल्केन वाले जितने भी कंपाउंड हैं सभी सिंगल बॉन्ड वाले होते हैं. एल्कीन के अंदर डबल बॉन्ड वाले हैं और एल्काइन में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वाले होते हैं. These are the covalent bond: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. The compound which are single bonded, single covalent bond, those are saturated compounds. The compound which contains only single covalent bond, those are called saturated compounds. These compounds are inactive because they have already saturated, so they are inactive. For example, methane, ethane, propane, and last sound is ane. If the last suffix ane sound will produce, then those are called alkane. Methane CH4, ethane C2H6, and propane C3H8. Same formula. It contains 3 carbon molecule. H double कीजिए, 3 2 6 plus 2 8. So these are the single bonded hydrocarbon compound, and the compound which have single bonded, those are saturated compound, and those compounds are inactive. Second one is alkene. The compounds which contain double bond, double covalent bond, those are unsaturated. Unsaturated compounds. And these unsaturated compounds are active because they have already unsaturated. They are ready to becomes active, satisfy or saturated. So they remains active. For example, ethene, propene, these are unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. For example, ethene, ene, last suffix is ene. It also contains propene, ene. Ethene C2H4, डबल कार्बन के नंबर कितने? 2, हाइड्रोजन के डबल 4. प्रोपीन C3H6. These are active and unsaturated hydrocarbon compounds. And third one is alkyne. The compound in which 3 carbon means 3 covalent bonds are present. Those are called alkyne, and they are also, the compounds are also unsaturated. Unsaturated compounds. If these are unsaturated, they are also active. Why they are active? They are ready to becomes saturated, so they are active. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रोपाइन, पेंटाइन, propyne. Prop means carbon contains 3 molecules. If carbon, it contains 3 carbon molecules. Hydrogen double कीजिए 6 minus 2 4 C3H4. And this one also pentyne, pent C5. C5 with H के डबल करते हैं 10 में से 2 लेस किए 8 C5H8. This is the formula of pentyne. These are also active, means double covalent bond compounds as well as triple covalent bond compounds. Both are active and unsaturated. Then how the carbon hydrogen molecules are attached with the carbon? If alkane, we have seen that it contains single bond. For example, C2H6. It means all the compounds in hydrocarbon, hydrogen and carbon. We will take the example of ethane. All the compounds, all the molecules such as carbon and hydrogen in hydrocarbon compounds bonded with each other with single bond. Why? Because they only share one electron. Firstly, we will discuss. Firstly, we represent C. How many C's? 2, 1 and 2. This C is attached with another C with a single bond. It remains 3-sided are free. If these 3-sided are attached with hydrogen, this also contains 3-sided free. This will also added with 3 hydrogen. We can see that C2 and H, 3 and 3, 6. This is the formula of ethane. Saturated and inactive. If we draw the structure of bond, this is the bond structure. If we draw the structure of propyne, we will take the example of propyne. Propene. Prop C contains 3 and ene C3 है तो H के डबल 6 C3H6. 1 C and another C. If we add 6, it means formula this clear. C3, 1C, 2C and 3C. These 3 C is remains 3-sided free. This one is also 3, but this one 2-sided because one side is it attached with the initial C and it attached another or after this one C. If we attach 3 इधर और 3 इस साइड में अटैच कर देते हैं 3 इधर तो कितना होगा 6 इसमें है. ये सी हमारी कितने से खाली रहेगी 2 तरफ से खाली रहेगी. तो क्या करें इसके डबल बॉन्ड 2 हाइड्रोजन यहां करते हैं तो ये 5 हो गया. तो यहां से लेस कर दीजिए 2 and 3 5. It will attach with single H. This one is also H and this one is also H and H. 1. It means how we draw that. This is the bond structure. If we draw the electron dot structure, then we have to see such like as carbon has 4 valence electron. One H contain here, another H contain here, another H contain here. C 1. This one is here 2, here 1 H 1. This one C2 1 and 1. If we draw the structure, electron dot structure, firstly H is satisfied. This H is also satisfied. इन H को पहले सेटिस्फाई कर लीजिए. सभी H सेटिस्फाई हो गए. अब आपकी ये C, इस C के पास 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन पहले हैं. इनसे शेयर कर रही हो एक 4 खुद के हैं, 3 इनसे शेयर कर ले 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 electron from here. इस सर्कल में कितने हो गए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. सेम इस C के खुद के कितने 4. पीछे शेयर कितने कर रहे हैं एक यहां से ले ले, एक यहां से ले ले 2. 4 इसके खुद के 6 और 2 यहां से शेयर कर लेंगे. टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हो गए इसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। इधर से ये सिंगल बॉन्ड कर दिया क्योंकि एक इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कर रहा है। यहाँ वो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कर रहे हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पर हमने क्या कर दिया, डबल बॉन्ड। एंड दिस वन 4 यहाँ है, 2 इनसे शेयर करें, 1 2 3 4 और 2 इसके पीछे वाले से शेयर कर लें। इस सर्कल में देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। दिस द electron dot structure of propene and this one is a bond structure of propene. And again alkyne means the compound which is made up of which contain triple bond, those are called alkyne, and this type of hydrocarbon compound are also unsaturated. For example, if we take the example of propine means it contains carbon 3 and H4. Carbon number 1 2 3, 1 is here, 1 2 3 hydrogen here. This is bonded with triple bond. कितने हो गए, 4, 1 इसका इधर हो गया, 3 इसके इधर हो गया, 4 हो गया क्लियर। इसी प्रकार से 3 तरफ से ये बंदे, तो इसका मतलब इधर कितना, 1 H। तो हाइड्रोजन कितने हो गए, 1 2 3 एंड 4 यही होगा। प्रोपाइन का फॉर्मूला ये था, C3H4 और C कितने हैं, 3। इफ ए कंपाउंड कंटेन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड दैट रिप्रेजेंट द एल्काइन, डबल बॉन्ड एल्कीन, सिंगल बॉन्ड एल्कीन। द नेक्स्ट वन प्रॉपर्टी इज मोर, हाउ द हाइड्रोजन आर अटैच्ड विद द कार्बन एट विच एंगल। If it is alkane, such like as methane CH4, carbon number 1, all the hydrogen are attached with at 90-degree angle. Single bonded hydrocarbon compound are attached, C HC होगी तो 90 डिग्री के एंगल पे अटैच होंगी। और एल्कीन है, एल्कीन के अंदर हम क्या करेंगे, एक कार्बन दूसरे हाइड्रोजन से अटैच होगा तो 102 मीन्स 102 से लेकर के 105 105 डिग्री के एंगल पे। फॉर एग्जांपल वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ इथीन C2H4। C2 means there are 2 molecule of carbon, H4 1 and 2, and this one also 1 and 2। कार्बन ने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके साथ शेयर कर दिया, एक इसके साथ, 2 रह गए, 2 इसके इधर हैं, इसने भी इसके साथ एक है, इधर एक, तो 2। इसका मतलब क्या है, यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्डेड है। तो यहाँ जब हम हाइड्रोजन कार्बन के साथ अटैच करेंगे तो ये से फॉर एग्जांपल वी ड्रॉ द सर्कल, वी ड्रॉ द लाइन, ए इमेजिनरी लाइन, देन वी कैन से देयर इज द एंगल ऑफ 102 to 105 डिग्री। It means hydrogen are attached with a carbon compound at 102 to 105 degree angle in alkene. Alkyne. In alkyne, hydrogen are attached with the carbon at 180 degree. It means a straight line. Suppose we can take the example of ethine. Ethine. C2 इथाइन के लिए H, कार्बन के 2 आइन, जितने कार्बन के हैं हाइड्रोजन के डबल कीजिए, 4 में से 2 लेस कर दीजिए, 2। C2H2, this is the one C, this one is another C, attach hydrogen with carbon at 180 degree, here 180 degree. This carbon is attached hydrogen towards one side, this one also one, 3 sides are free. It means they share 3 electrons this time. So how the hydrogen are attached with the carbon compounds in alkane, alkene and alkyne. In alkane, hydrogen attached या bonded with carbon at 90 degree angle. In alkene, 102 to 105 degree angle. And in alkyne, hydrogen are attached with carbon at 180 degree angle. Clear?